I bought this soundbar from Amazon. I was looking for a Bluetooth speaker, but after I saw the prices of some of the best one out there, I was a little hesitant to buy them as they only provided some functionalities of Bluetooth speaker. So I started looking for soundbar as I came across the suggested section in Amazon. I thought that the concept of a soundbar is very good because I could connect it with my TV and also use it with my old PC, which does not have any Bluetooth functionality. And after doing some research, I found that they are a cheap alternative to home theater system. I came across this Instaplay soundbar. I read the reviews and also tried to do some research on YouTube. Being from a middle class family, I wanted it to be worth the price and time. I could not find more than 2 videos giving the review about this Instaplay. So I made a decision to buy it based on the review itself. Also, I made this YouTube channel and I wanted to post a review. So this is officially my first review about this soundbar that I bought. So this soundbar has Bluetooth functionality, has USB playability, aux cable connectivity, and it comes with a lithium battery of 2000 mAh. So it has a total of 20 watt output and the sound is pretty good.